The Tesla Coil might be one of the most interesting inventions of all time. More than any other individual, Nikola Tesla is responsible for the spread of electrical power throughout the world. In his day, Tesla was regarded as a mad scientist for his experiments with wireless energy transmission, some of which were incredibly dramatic. And now you can own your own amazing Tesla coil. So what is a Tesla coil and how does it work? It's often described as a radio frequency oscillator or just a simple double transformer. But it contains a magic ingredient, and that magic is just the common childhood swing. If you push a swing at just the right time, every oscillation or swing backwards and forwards is amplified, building on each other. And that's what Tesla did with this amazing device. By running power into one coil, then allowing it to jump a spark gap, a lot of power is generated. When it reaches the top of the second coil, it ionizes the surrounding air with these beautiful sparks. Once air is ionized, it becomes a conductor, and the electricity from the coil shoots outward in an amazing display that looks like miniature lightning bolts. And here's the crazy part. Because of the extremely low current, the electricity is extremely safe. Tesla wanted to build a device to transmit electricity through the air. And with your own Tesla coil, you can make that work. Look what happens when I bring one of the supplied neon bulbs near the coil. And this beautifully made Tesla coil has another trick. The lightning bolts can be made to resonate to music. You might think that's an impossible mission, but listen to this. Tesla's work was undoubtedly ahead of its time. In fact, some of his work is still a giant mystery. But now you can safely experiment with your own Tesla coil. Tesla believed that this device held the key to wireless transmission without limits. This beautiful working model of a Tesla coil from sterlingkit.com can be yours today with a discount code Simon. Can you work out how to make Tesla's dream a reality?